Hello, and thank you for taking the time to find out more about the Lowe Riser Pod. Simple, safe, sustainable. Recent construction industry statistics published by the HSE show that in 2009 to 2010 in construction, there were 25 fatal injuries, 1,019 major injuries, and 733 over 3-day injuries due to falls from height, at a total cost to the industry of £80,500,000. Despite this, 1 in 6 construction sites currently fail to address work at height risks. Service risers in concrete and steel frame construction are typically protected by guardrails, which have been proven to be woefully inadequate. Let us introduce you to the solution, the Lowe Riser Pod, an innovative, flexible solution that utilises off-site manufacturing to vastly reduce site activities, resulting in a very simple, fast and efficient installation process.
Many years ago, while working on a construction site, our site operatives witnessed the fatality of a lift engineer. This had a major impact on us all at Lowe Engineering and made us realise what dangerous places construction sites were. We needed to find a solution to working at height, and we developed the Lowe Riser Pod. We wanted to make sure that both our employees and yours return safely to their families at the end of each working day.
The Lowe Riser Pod has been in continuous development since 2004, with our team of skilled engineers and technicians working towards an important single goal: eliminating accidents and fatalities in risers. With early involvement within your project, we can provide you with a cost-effective solution to working within riser voids. The Lowe Riser Pod delivers intrinsic safety by pre-installing riser floors before concrete is poured or while steel is being erected. This permanently eliminates any voids in the floor, eradicating human error and exposure to falls. The Lowe Riser Pod can be designed and manufactured to suit any size of riser aperture. Our product lends itself to both concrete and steel frame construction, as well as refurbishment work. The pods can also be abutted and fixed to shear walls. In this example, a rectangular riser pod has been delivered and positioned onto formwork using pre-built-in lifting points, and now is ready to be cast in. The Lowe Riser Pod is manufactured to suit any slab thickness and is demonstrated here, fully cast into position. If the mechanical and electrical drawings are not available prior to installation, temporary cross beams and plates are supplied to ensure safe and secure flooring to what would have traditionally been an open void. Once the service drawings are available, our design teams redesign the floor layout to facilitate all of your services. The existing temporary flooring and cross beams are removed and replaced. This element of the work is undertaken by our site teams, who are all experienced CSCS cardholders, and Lowe is accredited to ISO 9001 for works and site activities. This is a typical example of a cross-beam layout to suit our client's service requirements. As you can see, the Lowe Riser Pod is fully floored at all times, leaving no exposed voids. We can supply kick flats to the perimeter to future service apertures if required. Floor plates are fully removable over void areas to enable services to be installed up through the Lowe Riser Pod when required. Here we see services installed from below the riser pod up to the underside of the removable floor plate in the pod above. The flooring plates are easily removable to allow the individual services to pass through the pod, safely leaving a fully plated out floor surface capable of carrying 2.4 kilonewtons per square metre. This is a typical Lowe Riser Pod, complete with all services installed. Our in-house design team have worked closely with your M&E providers to ensure all services have been fully integrated into the Riser Pod system. This enables safe working at all times, accelerating build program and preventing water ingress. So let's have a look at some of the key benefits of the Lowe Riser Pod. Removes the need to work at height in risers. Accelerates build program. Eradicates the need for guardrails and scaffolding. Ends the associated costs of continuous inspection. Eliminates reinforcement cutting. Removes hot works requirements. Hand-arm vibration is eradicated. Needs for service expansion are safely accommodated. Cost-effective and easy to install. Works for all riser shafts, electrical, mechanical and lifts. Complete off-site design and manufacture. major reduction in site activity, reduces water ingress during construction phase, can be incorporated into fire zones. Although the costs to society and business are substantial whenever employees are injured at work, the financial implications are far outweighed by the devastation that's caused when a member of staff doesn't return home to their family at night. Detailed analysis of direct and indirect costs have demonstrated major cost savings by utilising the Lowe Riser Pod system in lieu of traditional methods. We urge you not to compromise on safety around riser shafts. The Lowe Riser Pod system has been specified as the riser protection system for the following major PFI projects: Coventry Walsgrave, Derby Royal, Mansfield Kingsmill, Walsall Manor, Southmead Hospital Bristol. To date, over 1,000 Lowe Riser Pods have been manufactured and installed. Skanska Health and Safety Manager Kim Scanlon stated, "One of the major contributing factors in Skanska achieving 12-month accident-free and 1 million safe working hours was the close collaboration with Lowe, from very early in the design stage to design out risks from falls from height. This has been a great achievement." The Lowe Riser Pod is available on a supply-only basis or as a fully bespoke supply and service installation package. Please feel free to contact one of our team for more details.